Hello friends, my name is Sanika Samiro Soundke. We are studying about Python data structures. In there are many types like list, tuple, set, dictionary and many others. Now we can see list in detail. List is a data type or inbuilt data type which deals with heterogeneous types of elements. It supports several built-in data types. List elements are enclosed between square brackets and separated by comma. List collection is in which insertion order is always preserved. Duplicates are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Growable in nature. Lists are mutable and ordered. Creating list and accessing list. Creating list. Define list using square brackets. Its syntax: list is equal to square bracket open and close. Example: name of students is equal to square bracket open and close. List: by using list, student is equal to square bracket open and comma and it close. It means it can be indexing. It can print student 0 bracket complete. Indexing elements: access elements by position. My list, it can specify a position for a given list, and it can negative indexing for the elements of from the end. Slicing list: extract sub list using slicing. My list returns 2 and 3. Now we can see list operations with access using syntax with list functions. First, adding list. We can use append method. We can add new element x at the end of the list by using append method. Removing list. Remove first occurrence of x from the list. We can use remove list. For finding elements in the list, we can use index method. Firstly, index returns first occurrence, and count method used for tails occurrence in the list elements. List length. We can see list length how the total number of elements in the list, like a is equal to square bracket open 1 2 3 4 and square bracket complete. It returns 4 values. Length of list is 4. List modification. Reassignment list, it can change an element's value by directly, like my list 0 is equal to 100. Repetition, it can repeat the one's value. It like an example, square bracket 1 2 square bracket complete is into 3 results in like 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 times. It can be repeated. Concatenation, it can reduce the length of code, like it can combine two lists with one operator, with plus operator, list 1 plus list 2. Sorting, we can sort lists in ascending order by default, and it can return new sorted list. Advanced list operations. List compression, it means most valuable concept in Python, like list compression. It can very easy and compact way for creating list objects on some condition. It is not only for list but for the set also. We can use this concept. Syntax: list square bracket expression for x in sequence square bracket complete. List expression for x in sequence for if condition square bracket complete. Nested list: build multidimensional arrays like matrix using list within list. Unpacking list: assign list elements to variables. ABC is equal to square bracket open 1 2 3 square bracket complete. Map and filter: it apply functions to elements or other filter based on condition using map and filter. Common list methods. First, copy, reverse, sort, minimum, maximum and sum. Copy, it can copying the previous data in the previous elements in list, and it can add and insert in new list as a shallow copy of elements in the list. Reverse. It can reverse the order of elements within the list in place. It means one example will take 1, 2, 3, 4, and it can reverse it displays 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. Sort key functions sort the list in place, allowing custom sorting logic with a key function. Minimum, maximum, and sum. Minimum, it returns the minimum elements in the list. Maximum returns the maximum element in the list. Sum, it returns the sum of all elements in the list. List versus other data structures. Like list are mutable and ordered collection. Unlike immutable tuples, dictionaries are use key value pairs, not indexes. Set are unordered or do not allow duplicates. So search operation in list generally have 0n performance. Best practices and applications. When we use list, it can employ list for ordered collection where elements may change, ideal for sequence of items, stacks, or queues. A performance optimization, it prefer and refer the list compression for consequence code. Avoid frequent insertion deletion at the end and beginning of for large list. Common pitfalls, be aware for shallow or deep copies, avoiding modifying a list while iterating it over it. Now we can take one example. Like firstly we take 1 is equal to 1 2 3 and 4 3 2 square bracket complete. Print length bracket 1 complete. Print sum list complete. Print max bracket में list bracket complete. Print mean bracket list bracket complete. Its output will be display 6 15 4 and 1. It will be completed for list functions in Python, and we can see in deep information as I like. Thank you for listening me.